In this next video, we are going to learn something new, something about, let me show you, increment and decrement. Okay, operate. Okay, so we are going to learn about that. So basically, I want to tell you what increment and decrement operators are going to do and how it is going to be worked. So we have also seen before in the previous videos how actually it works, but there are few things which you might have not noticed, and that's it. That's the thing I want to repeat and show you once. And we have already seen arithmetic progression and arithmetic operation where we were using this plus plus and minus minus sign for the use, and you can one second, yeah. So you have already seen how we use it and how it incremented and how it decremented. So let me show you one thing once more, and that is, let's start a program. I'll teach you how it is going to work. Okay, so let's start. Int x is equal to 10. Yeah, printf. Okay, then value is percent d. Then x plus plus. Okay, so we have given the condition over here. Now going for the next one. Okay, so let me show you once this, then we will go to this next statement. Okay, now you might be thinking that the value of x will be incremented. Okay, that's for sure. That's very logical that because of this it will increment because of this. Okay, so now compiled. Now we'll run it. But what it is showing is showing the value 10, because it is something very different, right? Because everyone might be expecting the answer to be incremented, where it has not yet been incremented. It is the same value which is given to the given data. So it is not being incremented. So why? So I'll tell you one thing. Printf x value is value of x after increment is percent d. Okay, then we will be writing only x. No, we don't need to write x plus plus or something. Okay, we will be writing only x. Now we will be compiling it, compiling zero error. Yeah, there are no errors. Compiling, no error. Yeah, now we can run it. Let's run. Okay, you can see value of x is 10. Value of x after increment is 11. Okay, then how and why it actually happened, let me tell you. Well, see, first of all, the given data is 10, right? The given data is 10. Then what actually happened is we actually printed the value of x, which is actually 10, no doubt, right? But well, after printing that value, we are giving it the condition of incrementation. Okay, this the compiler actually takes the data and put in the statement what data is being available. Okay, compiler won't be putting the incrementation. Compiler will put the given data as it is. Compiler, after printing this data, it will then increment the value, and this and after incrementation, the compiler will print that value in this statement. So before, if you want the incrementation, so you in the statement you have to give the incrementation operator or before. Okay, increment operator before, because if you want to print incrementation over here, it won't be giving you answer over here if you print over here. Okay, so you need if you want it over here, over here you need to write it in the first. So basically what happens, now again I'll show you, and it might you might have not been understood very well, but let me tell you once more. Okay, so let's see what happens. Say the value of x is, now I'll explain you. Please listen to me carefully. The value of x is, as the given data is 10. Okay, and compiler is taking that data and it is printing over here. We have given this x the negative decrement operator, but it will be performing it after, in the next statement, after it is being printed over here. So after it is printed over here, that means after this value is being printed, the decrement operator will work. So the after the decrement operator is being working, it will print here. So even if I go and write negative negative here, so it is, see, so it's not going to give me answer 8. Okay, it's not going to give me answer 8. Why? Now if I print %d, okay, here, and then I will write here comma x. Okay, so now compiling it, now executing it. Okay, so I haven't given that wait a sec, breaking the statement. Okay, so yeah, what happening? Yeah, let me tell you. The given data is 10, then it is printing the same as the given data, because, and after printing that, decrement operator will decrement the value, and that decremented value will be shown over here, right? Okay, and this value is again being decremented, and that decremented value is being shown over here. You're getting me what I'm trying to say? So the given data is being printed over here, then it is being decremented, and that decremented value is being displayed over here, and this displayed value is again decremented, and this decremented value is being printed over here. So it will definitely print the decremented or the incremented value, but it will be printing in the next statement. So if you want to print the decremented or incremented value, you need to write in the previous statement, so it will be able to print in the next statement. So you have to keep in mind to do that before printing it, and that's the only thing you have to remember in decrementing and incrementing value. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you have understood, and please keep watching, subscribing, and liking my videos, and I hope I am able to solve your doubts too. But if you are not able to get it, please try to rewind and watch the videos again and again. You will be definitely you get the things. Okay, thank you.